Let's use Minitab to create a confidence interval for a difference of proportions, or a 2-prop z interval. In this case, let's look at the proportion of people aged 11 to 17 who successfully completed a vaccine sequence, minus the proportion of people aged 19 to 26 who successfully completed the same vaccine sequence. In our data set, we have people aged 11 to 17 and 19 to 26 all mixed together as different rows in the same data set. And whether or not they completed the vaccine is listed as a single column, regardless of which age group they're in. So we can make our confidence interval by going to Stat, Basic Statistics, and 2 proportions. And then we'll choose both samples are in one column. In the box next to Samples, we'll choose the variable whose proportion we're interested in, that is, whether or not people completed the vaccine. In the Sample IDs box, we'll choose the variable that we want to use to create the 2 groups, or the 2 samples. In this case, that's going to be age group. Then click on Options. Because this is a confidence interval, the hypothesized difference can stay at whatever it is, in this case 0. We do want the alternative hypothesis to be does not equal, regardless of what direction we might be interested in for an actual hypothesis test. If we want a confidence interval, we want the does not equal version of the alternative hypothesis. We can then set the confidence level to be the level that we're interested in. I'll choose 99%. And our test method can stay at estimate the proportion separately. Click on OK, and then OK again. And here are the results. The 99% confidence interval for the difference is from negative 0.03 up to positive 0.43. The fact that 0 is inside of this interval tells us that we can't rule out the possibility that the 2 proportions are equal at the 99% confidence level. That is, the p-value, if we did this as a hypothesis test, would be larger than 0.01.